the ability to listen to almost anything without losing your temper or your self-confidence, said by Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual, said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Hello everyone, with a hot cup of smile, Golden Glory of this morning is on the air.
A very pleasant morning to the Honorable Chief Guest, our beloved principal, our dear friends, and of course, the stars of this event, our caring Indian teachers. I am Shashanka Desai.
And I am Nisha Vayan. We wish all of our respectable teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today, we all are gathered here to celebrate the birth anniversary of one of the greatest personalities of India.
Yes, it is none other than Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, which in turn is celebrated as Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us.
To acknowledge the efforts made by our teachers, today we have brought rainbow of programs to express our heartfelt feelings for them. So let us begin our celebration by seeking the blessings of God. For this, I would like to call upon the screen Master Sudhanva to chant Veda Gosha.
गणानान्त्वा गणपतिं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनश्रन्मन्नोदिभिस्सीदसादनं महागणपतये नमः ॐ स्वस्ति नो मिमितामश्विना भगस्वस्ति देव्यदितिरानर्गणाः स्वस्ति पूषा असुरो ददातु न स्वस्ति द्यावा पृथिवी सुचेतुनाः स्वस्तये वायुमुपभ्रवामहै सोमं स्वस्ति भुवनस्य यस्पतिः बृहस्पतिं सर्वगणं स्वस्तये स्वस्तय आदित्यासो भवन्तु नः विश्वे देवानो अद्य स्वस्तये देवा अवन्तृभव स्वस्तये स्वस्ति नो रुद्रः पात्वं हसः स्वस्ति मेत्रा वरुणा स्वस्ति पथ्ये रेवती स्वस्ति न इन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च स्वस्ति नो अदिते कृधि स्वस्ति पन्थामनुचरेम सूर्या चन्द्रमसा विव पुनर्ददताग्नता जानता सङ्गमे महि स्वस्त्ययनं तार्क्ष्यमरिष्टनेमिं महद्भूतं वायसं देवतानाम् असुरग्नमिन्द्रसखं समत्सु बृहद्यशो नावमिवारुवेम अम्होमुचमाङ्गिरसं गयं च स्वस्त्यात्रेयं मनसा च तार्क्ष्यं प्रयतपाणिः शरणं प्रपद्ये स्वस्ति सम्भादेष्वभयन्नो अस्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Thank you, Sudhanva, for the auspicious chant. Now, I would like to call upon.
Good morning, everyone. Today is September 5th, the birthday of S. Radhakrishnan, which is celebrated as Teachers' Day. On this special occasion, I would like to welcome our trustee members, beloved principal ma'am, teachers, office staff, sub-staff, and my dear friends. Thank you.
Teachers' Day is celebrated on this day every year to mark the birth anniversary of one of the President of India, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a great teacher himself. To further give a brief information about him, I would like to call Master Praveen Boycott, Samartha and Darshan Patil to share a few things about this day. Over to you, friends.
Hello everyone, welcome to our new show, India Speaks. Today is Teachers' Day. It's a special day for all our lovely teachers. So, on behalf of all my friends, I would like to wish to all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. My friend Praveen and myself, Darshan, are eagerly waiting to introduce today's guest. Praveen, will you please introduce today's guest to our audience?
A person born from a poor family who didn't even have the facility to get proper education took this as a challenge, studied with the help of scholarship, and grew to the extent to become the Vice President and the second President of India. He has done so many achievements and that he is honored with Bharat Ratna Award. It is none other than Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Please give him a warm welcome. Sir, we are very happy to have you to the show. Welcome to the show, sir.
Sir, everyone would like to know a few things about you. So, my first question is, when you were asked to celebrate your birth anniversary as Radhakrishnan Day, you denied it and advised to celebrate it as Teachers' Day. Why is it that you think teachers are so important?
The reason why I am in this position of my life is because of my teachers. Whatever I am today is because of my teachers. I like teaching and paving the way to the students give me happiness. So, it's better to dedicate this day to all my teachers.
That's absolutely right, sir. Sir, can you please give us some information about your childhood days and education life?
I was born in Telugu Brahmin family in Tirutani. My father is Sarvapalli Veeraswamy and mother Sarvapalli Seethamma. I completed my primary education at KV High School in Tirutani and Government High School in Walajapet. I joined Oralas College in Vellore for my high school education. After my FA class, I joined Madras Christian College. I finished my master in this college and graduated here. The most important, you all need to observe that I completed all this education only with the help of scholarship. So, being poor can never stop you from being educated.
That's very nice to hear, sir. Sir, can you please share your experience when you became the first president of India?
When I became the President of India, I accepted only rupees 2,500 out of rupees 10,000 salary, and the remaining amount was donated to the Prime Minister National Relief Fund every month.
We are glad to hear that, sir. Sir, now you are an ideal teacher of our country. There are so many students who admire you. What are the qualities that made you a good teacher, or what qualities are necessary for being an ideal teacher?
Being a good teacher is extremely important, and a good teacher is someone who a student will remember and cherish for the rest of their life. According to me, the qualities which I implemented are communication skills. In teaching, having strong communication skills is an essential quality for building teacher-students rapport and creating a trusting environment for the students. As a teacher, having the ability to constructively express verbal, writing, visual and body language cues together with the capacity to convert ideas into students' understandable structure will deliver knowledge with superior results. Listening skills. Being a good teacher means having your students listen to you and making sure that you listen and give your students the attention they need by answering all of their questions. The value of listening lies behind allowing you to better understand your students. Friendly attitude. Having a friendly attitude is one of the most essential qualities of a good teacher. Expressing a good friendly attitude towards your students makes you more approachable. It is more likely to motivate students to want to learn. By being perceived as more approachable, students will feel more comfortable to ask questions. Patience is a virtue, and especially in the world of teaching. Being a teacher and handling multiple children at one time is not an easy task and requires a great deal of patience. Different students will display different levels of aptitude when it comes to learning. It is crucial to consider as they will help students not stay behind and will further the success of the teaching environment. Organizational skills. Teachers must be good organizers. Being organized plays an essential role in being a good teacher and is a paramount quality of good teacher. Without organizational skills, a teacher could really lose grasp of deadlines, expectations and tasks. Most teachers tend to take notes after their class is completed with critical points to keep in mind for their next class. This way, a teacher can easily prepare the necessary material for the next lesson and know exactly where they left off.
Sir has received so many awards and honors.
In 1938, he was elected as a Fellow of the British Academy. In 1961, he received the Peace Prize of German Book Trade.
In 1962, Institution of Teachers' Day in India, which is celebrated on 5th September every year.
In 1968, Sahitya Academy Fellowship. This was the highest honor conferred by Sahitya Academy on a right, and he is the first person to get this award.
For advocating non-aggression and conveying a universal reality of God that embraced love and wisdom for all people. For this, he was awarded with the Templeton Prize in 1975. After this, he donated the entire amount of Templeton Prize to Oxford University.
In 1989, the Institution of Radhakrishnan Scholarship formed by Oxford University in a memory of Radhakrishnan. The scholarship was later renamed as the Radhakrishnan Kevaning Scholarships.
He was nominated 16 times for the Nobel Prize in Literature and 11 times for the Nobel Peace Prize.
Yes, sir. We are very happy that you have made some time and came to our show. So many teachers and students are motivated by your words. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you for inviting me.
Yes, indeed. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's life experience is a great inspiration for all of us. Thank you, friends, for sharing this. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Which means Guru is verily the representative of Brahma, Lord Shiva, and Vishnu. He creates, sustains knowledge and destroys the weeds of ignorance. We salute to such a Guru.
Now, Chaitanya and Deepthi will be doing Guru Vandana dance as a tribute to teachers.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha.
Shri
Thank you, friends, for your beautiful performance. Now, I would like to call Samanvita of 6C to dedicate a song for all the gurus. Over to you, Samanvita.
कहना है एक बड़ा सा थैंक यू है सब कुछ टूवर्ड्स मी रोज दिखा दे जाए कुछ नया या दुनिया हाथों में रख दे Thanks a lot, lots and lots, many ways just to say thanks a lot. सुबह हो या शाम चाहे जो भी हो काम होगा पहले बस तुम्हारा नाम Thanks a lot, lots and lots, many ways just to say thanks a lot.
आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर भूख मार के दूर झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर खोल दे पर 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 खोल दे पर
Thank you, friends, for your loving performance. Now, it's time to call Nisarga of 9B to sing a melodious song. Over to you, Nisarga.
ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯರ ರಚನೆ. ರಾಗ ಸಿಂಹೇಂದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯಮ ಆದಿತಾಳ. ಗುರುವೇ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಗುರುವೇ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಗುರುವೇ ಚರಾಚರ ಚಿನ್ಮಯ ರೂಪ ಗುರುವೇ ಚರಾಚರ ಚಿನ್ಮಯ ರೂಪ ಗುರುವೇ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಗುರುವೇ ಆದಿ ಗುರುವೇ ಅನಾದಿ ಗುರುವೇ ಆದಿ ಗುರುವೇ ಅನಾದಿ ಆದಿ ಅಂತ್ಯರಹಿತಾತ್ಮ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಆದಿ ಅಂತ್ಯರಹಿತಾತ್ಮ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಗುರುವೇ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಸ್ವರೂಪ सकल शास्त्र श्रुति वेद पुराण निखिलागम परि पूर्णनु नीने सकल शास्त्र श्रुति वेद पुराण निखिलागम परि पूर्णनु नीने ओंकारवनी जय करे सुतबा ಓಂಕಾರವದಿ ಜಯಂಕರಿ ಸುತಬಾ ಕಿಂಕರನನ್ನು ಪೊರೆ ಓಂ ನಾದ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಕಿಂಕರನನ್ನು ಪೊರೆ ಓಂ ನಾದ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಗುರುವೇ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಗುರುವೇ ಚರಾಚರ ಚಿನ್ಮಯ ರೂಪ ಗುರುವೇ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಸ್ವರೂಪ.
Entertaining song.
Now, for the most exciting part of this event, I would request our beloved principal, Mrs. Kavita K. Ma'am, who is a great teacher herself and a guide for all us, to say a few words about Teachers' Day. Over to you, ma'am.
Teachers' Day is a special day, and today is the day where children would like to show their gratitude with a lot of excitement. Teachers are the backbone of a society, and they are good in building shapes to our students. I would like to say that teachers play an important role in showing the right path to their students. I would like to thank all the students for showing their love and affection and trusting us. I hope you continue to follow the path laid by your teachers. I would like to show my deepest gratitude to all the teachers who give their selfless service and help the children to take the right path. And I am proud to say that I am a teacher too. Happy Teachers Day.
Yes, ma'am. Your words mean a lot to us. Thank you, ma'am, for your words, which is an inspiration for all of us. Now,
a very good morning to one and all. A heartfelt thank you to all the teachers who spend their time, energy, and love to take care to educate our children. Teachers guide, support, inspire, teach. Today is the day to thank them and say a very happy Teachers' Day. At the same time, the profession that creates all other professions and creates the citizens of the future. Happy Teachers' Day to all the teacher fraternity. The influence of teachers extends beyond the classroom, well into the future. I would like to thank my teachers and give them the due respect. Thank you one and all. Have a good day.
Now, to end of this program, I would like to call upon the Diksha of 7th B to propose the vote of thanks.
All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. Quoted by Dr. Abdul Kalam. Happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers. I am Diksha of class 7th A. Trustees, Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, my dear friends and parents. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this beautiful occasion, Teachers Day. I thank our trustees being a part of this program. I extend my thanks to our beloved Principal Kavita K. Ma'am for the wonderful support, stewardship, vision and commitment. Our special gratitude to all my lovely teachers for the encouragement and guidance. I extend my thanks to non-teaching staff who have worked hard to ensure that this occasion becomes a memorable success. I would like to thank all the parents for the kindness and cooperation. I would also like to thank all my dear friends for the wonderful participation and making this event a happy moment. Once again, I thank you all for taking time to be here and making this event a grand success.
To Diksha for your speech. None of us can deny that mother gives birth, but a good teacher gives life. Do you all agree, friends?
Now, before departing, we once again wish a happy Teachers' Day and take our leave with a grateful heart. Thank you.
Dear teacher, we remember the first time you believed in us. You never gave up on us. Thank you for taking our hand and helping us grow. Thank you for your patience. We have a future because of you. You encouraged us. You accepted us. Thank you for understanding. We learn from you every day. You thought you were just teaching, but you were getting rid of my fears. Thank you for teaching us to dream. But most importantly, thank you for still teaching. Thank you for loving your students